In this high-level review, you'll get a general overview as well as concrete answers to some of the most frequent asked questions around this platform. With more than 20,000 active agencies, HighLevel is becoming an industry leader. So if you're a freelancer or an agency owner, you probably want to know what's up. At the end of this review, you'll know exactly what HighLevel is, how it works, and whether it's something for your business. Let's get started. Yes, it kind of is a customer relationship management system for agencies that help you capture, nurture, and close leads. HighLevel takes the core features from a range of specialized tools and combines it into one platform. You capture new leads by using chat widgets, landing pages, and lead forms. You nurture your leads with automated text messages, emails, and voicemails. And when you close those leads, you can receive payments, book appointments, and track your financials all within the HighLevel platform. HighLevel offers two main plans: Starter at $97 per month and Unlimited at $297 per month. Starter includes Workflow Builder, Campaign Builder, text and email messaging, pipeline and landing page builders, standard integrations, calendar, call tracing, basic CRM functionality, forms, surveys, chat widget, memberships, and a couple of other things. Unlimited includes all that, plus unlimited sub-accounts, unlimited contacts and users, a white label version of the platform, API access, and the partner program. All in all, the cost of HighLevel is supposed to be lower than if you were to duct tape all these features together using individual tools. Basically, HighLevel is used to save time and make more money as a freelancer or agency owner. Saving time comes from automating a lot of your processes around marketing yourself, replying to emails, social media messages, and create workflows that trigger based on parameters you set up. Making more money comes from never dropping the ball. Whenever someone shows interest in you, HighLevel makes sure they get a reply and get sent in the right direction, and that someone follows up with them quickly. It's probably better for a service-based business, such as a digital marketing agency or any other agency that sells some kind of service. You can use HighLevel alongside an e-commerce store because you have all these APIs you can set up that send information back and forth between the systems. But HighLevel is not a dedicated e-commerce platform, so you probably need a couple of extra things to make it work. It's made specifically for marketing agencies who handle lead generation and conversion into sales for other businesses. So if that's you, HighLevel is the perfect fit. Yes, there is an app and you can use it in 3 different ways. First, you can download the HighLevel app from all the app stores and use it to manage your business on the go. This is for you as a business owner. Second, you can offer your clients to log into their business through the app Lead Connector, which is still HighLevel. It's just a gray level version of the app, so you don't have to tell them that you're using HighLevel if you don't want to. Thirdly, there is a white label version of the app where you can get your own name and your own branding on the HighLevel app. So your customers is going to find a highly customized version of, yes, the HighLevel app, but it is going to be called your company name with your colors and logos and everything. This costs a little extra, but it is also a pretty cool thing to be able to offer. You can use it as a business, but really HighLevel is made for the middleman, the marketing agency who handles the marketing for the end customer, for example, a dentist or a restaurant. Sean Clark, the founder of HighLevel, says that they try to market this platform to end customers, but really they don't have the time to be the best marketeer, while they're also the best physiotherapist, for example. So HighLevel is for the marketing agency that handles all the lead generation and the lead conversion into sales. Yes, if you have a good use case for it. Paying $97 a month or $297 per month only makes sense if it frees up more time or makes you more money than it costs. If you can save a few hours per week managing your business, or you can handle a few more customers per month, the cost is definitely worth it. A smart guy named David Heinemeier Hansen, the founder of Basecamp, says that we humans only need just a little bit of technology to make our lives easier. HighLevel can be that little bit of technology you pour into your processes and trust to never drop the ball. This allows you to scale your agency if that's what you want, or to stay small if you want to do that, because you use technology to handle your processes instead of manual labor. I've spoken to the people behind the company. I've watched a lot of interviews with the founder and also used the platform myself, so I can say that HighLevel is legit. I assume that the reason why people ask this question is because of their marketing is a bit on the aggressive side. With super lucrative affiliate programs that gives away Teslas and Porsches, I understand why this makes some question the legitimacy of the brand, especially here in Scandinavia, where we view this as very American. But there's absolutely nothing wrong with the company or product. They are growing fast, and often that's because you have a very strong product and very effective marketing. Yes, seems like it. I saw a couple of bad reviews that mentioned customer support, so I wanted to test it myself. I'm a fan of live chat, so I wanted to see how quickly I could get to talk to a real person. It took less than 2 minutes to get in contact with Junaid, although I had to dance around with the chatbot many times before I was allowed to talk to a real person. Totally understandable that you want to scale your customer support, but for some this might come off as bad customer support. HighLevel offers live chat, a Facebook group, an online course, lots of tutorials, a help center, and phone support, chat support, all kinds of things, and various ways you can solve your problem. Remember that negativity bias is a real thing, the tendency to give more weight to negative experiences than positive ones. So I guess that this is just part of life for all these platforms with these 1-star reviews. I'm an online teacher, so I use a platform very similar to HighLevel called Kajabi. It's an all-in-one platform, just like HighLevel. It just caters a little bit more towards online teachers. If I still ran my animation agency today, I could easily see myself use something like HighLevel as a consolidated platform to run my marketing and operations. I really like the simplicity of HighLevel, where you install a little bit of technology into your business and get a whole lot out of it, like automating your reputation management to get more Google reviews, or add a chat widget to your website so you can answer potential leads questions. If I was making the switch today from my agency's WordPress websites, MailChimp automations, Trello boards, and Typeform lead generation, I think I'd pay the couple of $100 to HighLevel for them to set the whole thing up. I think the biggest roadblock for getting an automated setup up and running for business owners is that it takes time no matter what, no matter how simple it is. So either you do it yourself and go slowly through each feature to make sure everything is set up correctly and works, or you pay HighLevel to set everything up for you. All in all, HighLevel seems like the perfect fit for any marketing agency who wants to simplify their tech stack. Thanks to HighLevel for sponsoring my time to review their platform, and thank you for watching. Take care.